Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in the seasonal $5 Goodwill challenge. This challenge is hosted by Hillary of Old World Home. I'll provide a link to Hillary's channel down below in the description box, along with a link to the playlist so that you can check out the videos from all of the participants of this very popular challenge. I'll also provide you with some links to some of my other favorite recent challenges down in the description box so that you can check out those projects too. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed preparing it for you, and I also enjoyed looking for my thrifted finds. Let me first share with you what I found for my $5 budget. Yes, that's the limit, $5, hence the title. And then I'll share with you exactly what I did with my pieces that I found and how I've displayed them in my home. As I mentioned before, I didn't use my entire full budget. I did find two pieces that I like, one of which I already have something very similar, but I paid a little bit more than $1 for it. So I was excited to find one piece, and then the other piece, I actually walked past it a couple of times and I decided, you know, I actually kind of like that. So the first piece is this ceramic planter. It doesn't have any feet on the base or anything like that, but it does have the foam pads to prevent scratching when you place it on a surface. This piece was $3.99. And as you can see, it looks like it's about 3 inches tall maybe, and it's just square. So I'll show you what I'm going to do with that piece. And it's quite heavy. My next piece is something that I'm sure you've all seen before because I've seen these on Instagram, even some displays of them on Pinterest. This is one of the ceramic houses that Target Dollar Spot sells during the Christmas holiday season. These usually sell for about $3 in their little tea light houses. These were 99 cents, and my store actually had a number of them. Each of these pieces were on Purple Tag Day, which was half off. So I only spent 50 cents on this, and my planter was priced at $3.99, but I was able to get that for half off too. So I only spent half of my budget. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and be sure to leave a thumbs up if you liked today's video. And also, if you're brand new, make sure you click that subscribe button and the little bell so that you don't miss out on any future content. Thanks again for watching, and take care.